The International SWAT Roundup is a yearly agenda item, and we saw it fit to be a part of it each year. This year, the team is a little bigger. In fact, we have two teams with us to compete this year. We look beyond the competition for this event because it's an opportunity for partnership also. It's an opportunity to hear the experiences of other operators right across the world, so to speak. And it's an opportunity for us to learn a new way of doing things. The men are here, they are ready, they are physically fit, and I've been practicing for the last couple of months for this event. And I believe they are quite able and ready to compete. And as you know, we're coming off a local SWAT competition that was about 2 to 3 weeks ago. We saw a lot of interest in this competition. In fact, it was well supported right across the landscape of Jamaica. We had a total of 31 teams entering that competition, and we are seeing where it is getting better and better every year. So it is from that momentum coming off of that local competition that the men are well prepared for this competition this year. In fact, we are looking in the future to see Jamaica being the hub for the Caribbean competition for SWAT.
Today we are at the Orange County Sheriff's Range. What we did today is acclimatize ourselves to the weather, to the condition, as well as familiarization with the weapons, because these are the weapons that we'll be utilizing in the competition and the training event. So it is best for us to know what we are using so that we can make proper adjustments going into the event. Well, based on what I am seeing, the members are improving, they're improving day by day. They are arrogant and they are operating in unity as a whole body. So based on what I am seeing today, I believe that we will be representing Jamaica well.